Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your starter kit for a full stack ChatGPT web app. When you buy the product, you should have a ChatGPT starter kit.zip file that you can download. If you double click on the zip file, you'll have the folder that has all the files that you need to get started. Next, just open up a code editor like VS Code and fire up your terminal and cd into the folder that you just unzipped. Great. Now, if you want, you could open up the README in the root directory and follow along the instructions to set up the app yourself. I can just walk you through these instructions right now while you're watching this video. The first step is to install pnpm, which is a performance package manager that helps you install dependencies. So we're going to do that by typing in, and that's going to take a second. Great. Now, the next step is to install dependencies by typing in pnpmi. Stands for pnpm install. Awesome. Next, we need to actually configure our environment variables. I actually have an example file here for reference that you can take a look at, which gives instructions on how you can configure all of these variables yourself. The most important one here is the OpenAI API key, which actually lets you make calls to the OpenAI API yourself. We're just going to copy over this example file into a .env file separately. And now just go ahead and get rid of all of this code and paste in the environment variables that will work for you in development. Okay, so I've gone ahead and pasted in all the environment variables, and now I should be good to set up my database. To do that, I'm just going to run the command. And this is basically going to push my Prisma schema to my database. It tells me that my database is in sync with the Prisma schema. So great, I should be good to go. And now I can just run the app locally by typing and you should be good to go now. On localhost 5556, you'll have the database running through Prisma Studio, and on localhost 3000, you'll have the front-end app running, where you can actually play around and see what's happening.